Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our report on understanding static electricity. I'm Allaina, and I'm here with my partner, Paula.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of static electricity. We will cover what it is, how it's generated, and we will show some examples of static electricity in everyday life.
What is static electricity? Static electricity is the buildup of electrical charges on an object. This buildup occurs when there is transfer of electrons between objects, typically through friction.
All matter is made up of atoms that consist of three types of small particles: negatively charged electrons, positively charged protons, and neutral neutrons. Therefore, all things are made up of charges, and opposite charges attract each other. Normally, the electrons and protons in an atom are balanced out, and rubbing or friction, electrons may be removed from the surface and deposited on the surface of the other. Once then, the electrons cannot move and they are static.
Since all materials are naturally electrically neutral because they have an equal number of protons to electrons, this transfer of electrons leaves one material with less electrons and less negative charge than it had before, and the other material has more electrons. So, one becomes positively charged and the other is negatively charged.
And now, we're going to explore the fascinating world of static electricity through some fun experiments.
By rubbing a balloon on a hair, it can create static electricity. It transfers electrons from your hair to the balloon. This leaves the hair with a positive charge and the balloon with a negative charge. When this happens, the balloon may stick on your hair or even make your hair stand up, as opposite charges attract.
By mixing salt and pepper together, we will witness something amazing. As I rubbed the spoon on a piece of cloth, it gathered static electricity. The static electricity attracts the pepper particles, making them jump and separate from the salt. Pure magic!
Rub the balloon with a cloth and hold it near the empty can. See how the can is moving towards the balloon? That's because the rubbing action created static electricity, which is attracting the can.
Rubbing the comb through my hair and holding it near the paper. Watch as the paper is drawn to the comb. The friction from rubbing the comb through my hair created a static electricity, which is attracting the paper.
Not all objects can make static electricity when rubbed together. Objects that do not create static electricity through friction are conductors.
Conductors like metals and salt water, allowing electrons to move freely so the electrons do not build up on the surface to form static electricity.
In conclusion, static electricity is an interesting and complex phenomenon that affects our daily lives in many ways. We hope this report has given you a better understanding of static electricity and its applications.
Thank you for listening. We hope you found our report informative and engaging. Till our next report, bye!